Best Free AI Content Writing Tools. So hi guys, welcome to Tech Tricks tutorial. Today we're going to show you the best free AI writing tools. So this is a step-by-step beginner guide for everyone to follow easily. If you find this tutorial helpful, please don't forget to hit the like and subscribe button. Now let's get right into it. So first on the list is Easy AI. So this platform is a user-friendly platform that simplifies the process of integrating artificial intelligence into your business. So how does it work? First, you can actually simply search a topic and begin drafting. Next step is to modify your essay until satisfied. Third is to run grammar and plagiarism check, and you can create an account and download the essay afterwards. So here below, you can actually see the features of ECAI. So this works well as for students, not only for business people or small enterprise. And right here in the dashboard or in the landing page, you can actually see a box. So here you just input the title of your essay or the topic that you would want to create. So say for example, we would like to make an essay with regards to the evolution of man. So there, and then you just need to click on the green button right here, start writing. Now let's just wait for it to generate, and basically you will be routed in this section. So in this section, you can actually see your title. Now here below, you can see the different kinds of paragraphs that ECAI has pre-written. So you just need to choose which paragraph works best for you and what's the best starting paragraph that you would like to have for your essay. Okay, so say for instance, we would like to have this kind of paragraph. Let's try to see. Okay, so all you need to do is to click on with the start with this button. So here, there's actually a tip for plagiarism concerns. So if your essay will go through a plagiarism checker, such as Turnitin, don't worry because Easy AI Lab rephrases sufficiently so that your easy differs from others. So there, say for example, this one, as you can see, the words has been rephrased. So Easy AI Lab can search relevant content on millions of websites and rephrase that for you. So there, let's click on the OK button when you're all good to go. Okay, now here in this section, you will be welcomed. And in the right-hand side, you can actually see the paragraph section. So here you can select which is the best paragraph for you that works well on your essay. So there. Now, what's good about Easy AI is that it also has sources and citations, which is way easier for you to navigate on the platform. Okay, and they have the APA and MLA style. So if you want to search for more citations, you can click on more citations right there. All right, now moving on to our next one, we have Hyperwrite. So Hyperwrite is actually an AI-powered platform that enables content creators and marketers to generate high quality and engaging copy quickly and efficiently. So as you can see, we are in the hyperwrite.com. Here you can actually do flexible auto write, summarizer, explain like you're 5 years old, magic editor, email responder. We also have rewrite content, generate blog introduction, social media ad copy, and universal translator. If you want to discover more tools, you can click on this. Now here below, you could actually see the trusted users incorporated by Hyperwrite. So Hyperwrite helps you to write hundreds of AI tools to generate copy, refine writing, and speed up your workflow from idea to final draft. It also helps you to communicate, craft effective emails and messaging in seconds with personalized suggestions. Here, you can also do research. So, your go to expert on any topic that builds custom tools. So, here, are some of the good things about Hyperwrite. And when you click on tools, basically it will route you to this section. So here for the plans, we actually have three plans. That's the starter, premium, and ultra. So for premium, it costs $19.99. For ultra, we have $44.99 a month. So let's click on the free version of Hyperwrite, and basically it will route you to your Hyperwrite dashboard. But before that, let's sign in to our Hyperwrite. You can actually sign in with your Google account, or you could input your email address manually. So I'm gonna sign in with my Gmail account right here. And once you've signed in, you can actually start creating your content. So here in this section, you can see a survey. So you just need to answer that one, or basically you can skip the survey here in the upper right hand corner of this section. So right here, all you need to do is that you can actually see the generations, the rewrites, and the type aheads. So we have 15 generations, 15 rewrites, and 500 type aheads in a day. So right here, let's try explain like I'm 5 years old. So say for instance, the topic would be different kinds of airplanes or different types of airplanes. So let's input that here under the topic box. And after that, click on the generate button here below. So once you've clicked on generate, there will be results in the right hand side that will show up. We just need to wait for the results to come up. So there. And here in this section, you just need to choose the best kind of writing that suits best for you, basically. Now here in the results section, you can actually copy it to clipboard, get more of the same kind, like, and the bad result. All right. Lastly, we have Jasper AI. So Jasper AI is an innovative platform that leverages the power of artificial intelligence to help you automate repetitive tasks and streamline your daily workflow. So as you can see here, this is our Jasper AI platform. So if you scroll down, you can actually see what is Jasper AI, what are the applications that's incorporated to it, and basically Jasper will help you create original content, boost ad conversions with better copy, finish your draft 10 times faster, and your writer's block with ideas from a robot, break through the language barrier, and scale up your marketing fast. So there. Among all of the um, free writing AI content tools, though, Jasper AI is the most expensive among all. So there's actually a 7-day free trial. You just need to click on the start your free trial button in order for you to get started. Input your first name, your last name, and your email address in order for you to simply get started. So there. Say for instance, we're gonna start our free trial. Let me just input all the necessary details. Now, once you've inputted all the necessary details, click on continue with Google. Or you could also continue with your email address if you don't have Google. Now, it will basically route us to our Jasper dashboard. Now here, you just need to answer what you are using Jasper for. So say for example, we are going to use this for a blog, and then click on let's go. Now, once you've clicked on let's go, it will basically route you to a section where it will show you the plans of Jasper AI. Now, let me show you the plans of Jasper AI once the page has been loaded. All right. So right here, we actually have 3 plans with Jasper AI. Okay, so we have a $39 per month plan. We also have a $99 per month plan, and we also have a customized plan. So the cheapest plan that we have is the creator plan. Basically, the next one is the
with
team
your free
plan,
trial,
and
you
the
need to choose
last
from
one is our
either the
business
team
plan or the personal plan, and it will route you to your Stripe account. So you cannot start without the Stripe account inputted. And that's about it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you find this video helpful.